Hi, folks. This is Tom Gomez. I'm founder and CEO of Luminity Digital. We are a boutique Salesforce consulting partner. We're a team of certified architects and consultants. Our topic today is around generative AI. As you move from experiment to execution with Gen AI, we want to break it down for you, the business executive, with the smallest possible set of elements, or to put it another way, using the proverbial Occam's razor, the simplest explanation is usually the best one. I hope the conversation today will be food for thought as you come up with a hypothesis of the value of Gen AI initiatives and the outcome for your business. Generative AI, as you folks know, is a subset of deep learning to generate new data samples that resemble a given set of training data. Models produce new data that share similar characteristics of the training data. At the core, generative AI has four capabilities: creation, summarization, discovery, and automation. Gen AI in general tends to excel in four applications: chat, search, generate content, and associative reasoning. So how does it all come together? You start with data, structured and unstructured. The models consume this data and generate outputs that are consumed by applications to enhance the capabilities in those applications, which in turn enables the business processes within the value streams with enhanced capabilities. With that high-level overview, let's talk about some of the essentials to execute. There are 10 foundational considerations to infuse Gen AI into business processes. They start with platforms. Are you on AWS? Are you on Microsoft Azure? Are you on Google Cloud? What are the tools on those platforms? Who is your team? Business processes, capabilities, and data quality and governance are extremely important. Do you understand your business processes? Do you understand the capabilities that map to those business processes? Do you understand the data that's generated from those business processes? Organizational archetypes are also important. Are you highly centralized or highly decentralized? Are you centrally led and business unit executed, or are you business unit led and centrally supported? Your IT systems and enterprise applications are also equally important, together with the governance and change management in your organization. And not to be forgotten is partner ecosystem. Are your partners ready to step up and support your generative AI investments? Enterprise architecture provides the framework to execute on AI strategies. It helps you translate business requirements and architectural principles into customer-centric solutions. It helps you understand where you should be investing. It helps you turn data into value and turns you into an intelligent enterprise. With that said, let's delve into how to plan for generative AI. Typically, there's two phases to this. There's a planning phase, and there is a design and implementation phase. You have to start off by choosing a domain in your company that could benefit from generative AI. It could be customer service, patient intake, corporate actions. You have to determine which job category or function within the chosen domain you want to make more productive. Then you have to determine the data sources the persona needs to be productive. You have to build your team. You have to define your intentions, objectives, and the output you're trying to achieve. The second phase is where you start to design and build. You design your prompts, you build your user experience and user interfaces. You then expand it to additional personas. Also important is to build a language model operations plan for moving these initiatives into production and monitoring the AI model's output to ensure it functions effectively and safely. You can then expand it to additional use cases. With that said, let me take a couple of minutes to tell you about Salesforce's guidance on the 4 keys to AI success. First is enterprise-grade solutions. With Salesforce, you can use AI without having to train models or go through time-consuming integrations because they are embedded in Salesforce's CRM. Every solution is also fortified by the Einstein Trust Layer. It's really a robust set of features and guardrails that protect your data privacy and security. Second is a data foundation. Salesforce's Data Cloud is that foundation. Our customers already hold vast amounts of trusted data within their CRM platforms. Data Cloud is now processing approximately 250 trillion transactions per week. You can action on data without the extra work of building your own vector databases or integrations. In addition to that, Salesforce's zero-copy partner network lets consumers easily unify their external data. Third is turnkey solutions. As CIOs and IT decision makers, you want to act swiftly. Salesforce delivers on that end with turnkey solutions that can be easily customized with no code or low code, making it fast and easy to deploy AI without large upfront investments or heavy maintenance. We'll talk about one of these use cases shortly. Choice is also essential. 4 out of 5 enterprises surveyed recently are already using multiple models, and nearly 70% expect to increase the number of models they use in the coming years. So how does this simple, elegant, and cost-effective solution come together? It is Salesforce's Einstein 1 platform and the unified metadata. Let's take a look at this enterprise data and AI architecture next. Data Cloud is the glue that takes all enterprise data, harmonizes it, and gives you a single view of the customer. We have an open model ecosystem, providing secure access to foundational models hosted outside of Salesforce, as well as the flexibility to bring your own large language models, just as you bring your own lakes. The Einstein Trust Layer provides you the security guardrails that enable you to ground these AI models using data in your CRM and Data Cloud. Einstein 1 Studio helps you deliver low-code builders. These 4 pieces of the enterprise AI stack helps bring AI across the Salesforce portfolio of apps, from Sales Cloud to Service Cloud and more. So let me summarize this. Salesforce has baked AI into the metadata architecture so it just works on your terms. With that understanding, folks, of the enterprise data and AI architecture, let me talk about a value realization methodology we use. Our approach brings together design thinking, an enterprise architecture framework, industry frameworks, and cloud-native strategies to deliver solution blueprints to guide our clients. Note in particular our emphasis on business architecture, value streams and capabilities, and the data architecture. As we run through these next few slides, you will understand how this methodology is embedded into the way in which we guide our clients. Let's take an example of an alignment framework for banking. Up on top, you have the chevrons. Those are the value streams. It's the end-to-end flow of activities depicted from a stakeholder perspective. It's how you deliver value to your end customer. That's the how. Then you have capabilities down below, which is a decomposition of what a company does and can do. This is the what. A value stream and associated capabilities can map to many processes. This is often referred to as capability mapping. So let's take the banking domain, customer service rep as the persona, and look at a specific capability that is being improved using Gen AI. So as I mentioned, we've picked a persona in customer service. We're looking at service replies as the use case. And let's see how a turnkey solution has been put forth. It's the AI-powered transaction dispute management. Just to give you context, according to recent research from SIFT, Americans disputed a staggering $83 billion in credit card charges in 2023. I think we don't have to say much more why there is a need here for better solutions. So let's bring this all together. As I mentioned before, turnkey solutions, customer service value stream. It's mapped to a capability to resolve and communicate. And the customer support rep is the persona. The AI-powered transaction dispute management helps bank service agents streamline the entire dispute management lifecycle from the time a dispute is submitted until its resolution. So what you see here is drafting an email with Einstein GPT that brings in data from within your systems and provides a response to a distressed client with specificity and the comfort level that there is a resolution forthcoming to their dispute. So there's many use cases like this. We could schedule time to go through a few contextual to your industry and your enterprise. With that said, folks, I just want to bring up a couple of things about why we are different and the value proposition of my firm. We are a team of experienced certified cloud architects with specialization in both Salesforce clouds and enterprise cloud services like AWS and Azure. Our in-depth knowledge and experience working on both Salesforce and enterprise clouds, coupled with our enterprise architecture framework, makes us uniquely qualified to be your trusted advisor to guide your Gen AI initiatives. With that said, folks, let me wrap it up by saying, I hope you will give us an opportunity to assist you with developing your AI-enabled journeys and enhanced business processes, and implementing practical business solutions in customer-driven architectures, so you can enable value realization in your Salesforce and cloud investments. Let's start the conversation. Give us a call. Thank you for your time.